Polyurethane direct injection is the most advanced technology in footwear manufacturing to date. Fully automated machines that carry out all processes with precision and speed, provide efficiency and the highest level production. Real Industry 4.0 systems with sensor and PLC that record and process thousands of data points are connected to all the automated units in a fully integrated process. Thanks to its constant commitment to exploring new technologies, Stemmer's R&D designed and developed VAR, a powerful system that supports the operator and enhances the efficiency of polyurethane molding machines. Thanks to a database of validated processes, the VAR continually checks all the injection parameters and delivers immediate warnings in case of operational drifts. It enables you to quickly identify the source of a problem, facilitating the prompt intervention of the operator. A smart approach to process control for a new generation of injection molding machines.